Apreciados estudiantes, cordial saludo. Mi nombre es Diana Alexandra Alba y soy su tutora para este nivel de inglés A1. Welcome. Este espacio ha sido diseñado para mejorar el aprendizaje de la lengua extranjera inglés. Le permitirá reconocer e identificar algunas temáticas del presente simple en referencia con sus rutinas durante la cuarentena y cómo han cambiado sus hábitos. Recordemos también que vamos a mejorar nuestras competencias comunicativas en las habilidades speaking, listening, reading and writing, ¿cierto? El objetivo de este curso es desarrollar competencias básicas del idioma inglés para comunicarnos de manera efectiva y competente de acuerdo con el nivel en este idioma. Nos centraremos en nuestras rutinas diarias, enfatizaremos en cómo nuestras rutinas acompañadas de buenos hábitos o malos hábitos han cambiado desde el inicio de la cuarentena y el aprendizaje además de algunas estructuras gramaticales como el presente simple y vocabulario de nuestras rutinas. Muy bien, so let's go, let's start. Great. So for this activity we're going to make a little short game. So this is a warming up. So we're going to click here. Okay. So then we have our daily routines. Great. So let's practice. We have to match cards. So you can click here.
Go home.
Okay, go home. So now we are going to look for another flashcard.
Eat dinner.
Eat dinner.
Go to bed.
Go to bed.
Go to bed.
Okay, great. Excellent. Very good. So this is a game. The idea is that you have fun. La idea es que se diviertan y que aprendamos el vocabulario. Muy bien. Very good. So let's continue with our activities for the class. So now we have practiced the vocabulary. Ya practicamos nuestro vocabulario de las rutinas. Ya sabemos cómo decir levantarnos, bañarnos, cepillarnos. Bueno, sí. Vamos a practicar un poquito de los aspectos gramaticales. So we are going to give click here. And we are going to start practice. So today we are going to talk about simple present. When should we use simple present? We use simple present to talk about habits. We use the present simple to talk about things we do all the time. Cosas que hacemos todo el tiempo, los hábitos, ¿cierto? Example, I get the service bus at 7 a.m. every morning. Ellie brushes his teeth before he goes to bed. I play football at break time. My sister goes sailing at the weekend. Okay, very good. So let's move to our next function of simple present, right? Okay. When should we use simple present? We also use simple present for things that are always true. We use the present simple to talk about things that are always true. The sky is blue, the earth goes round the sun, I am student, Maria is from the coast of Colombia, tigers are big, cats, school starts at 8:05 a.m. and finishes at 3:30 p.m. Okay, so let's continue. Grammar rules. Verb ending in CH, S, CSH, O, and X, AD y S. Entonces los verbos terminados con CH, S, SH, O o X les adicionamos la S. For example, watch, watches, gas, gases, finish, finishes, go, goes, fix, fixes. Verbs ending in a consonant B, C, D, F, G change Y by I, E, S. For example, study, studies, curry, curries, fly, flies. Okay, very good. So let's move to our next flashcards. So questions, how can you make a question? Okay, very good, great. So you add an auxiliary that is do or an auxiliary that is does. Yeah? So you should use do with I, you, we, and they. For example, do you like cheese? Yes, I do. Or no, I don't. Right, very good. With the third person, you use does. Does he or she or it like cheese? Okay, students, take into account. You use do with these pronouns and you use does with these pronouns. Okay, very good. Okay, great. So now let's continue practicing. So we are gonna go to our examples. Okay, guys, what does he do? Okay, bueno, ¿qué está haciendo ahí? What do you think that he does? Okay, very good. He arrives at school. Very good. Okay, next one. Next example. What does she do? Okay, very good. She waits for the bus. Very good. Great. Let's move to our next example. Very good. What does she do? Okay, great. She teaches English because she is a teacher. Great. So next one and the last example. Último. Very good. What does he do? Okay, very good. He goes to bed. Excellent. Great. Very good. So now, let's continue with our activities. Muy bien, entonces ya identificamos el vocabulario de las rutinas. Ya sabemos cuándo debemos utilizar el presente simple. Muy bien. So now we are going to watch a video, a short video, in order to practice the routine. Okay. Let's do it.
Hi, my name is Zisra. I get up at 7 o'clock in the morning. I have a shower and brush my teeth. I have breakfast at 7:30 a.m. I have pancakes and a cup of milk for breakfast. My mother takes me to school at 8:30 a.m. My class starts at 8:50 a.m. I study English, maths, art, music, PE, and Spanish.
Okay, very good. Did you like the video? Great, this is a really nice video. What does she do? Okay, very good. She gets up, she takes a shower, she has breakfast, she goes to school, okay, she has lunch, and then she comes back home. Very good. She comes back home. Very good. Muy bien, muy bien. Vamos muy bien. So now we're going to continue practicing. So for this time, we will have an exercise. So we're going to click here and we will have an exercise for practicing. Okay, very good. So here we have the translation of some words. So you will have to use it according to the meaning. Muy bien, de acuerdo con el significado las vamos a ubicar. Muy bien. Ok, acostarse o ir a la cama. Ok, what is it? Is this one? No. Is this one? No. Is this one? Right, very good. Terminar de trabajar. Ok, finish work. Very good. Brush my teeth. Lavarse los dientes. Very good. Ir a casa. Ok, very good. Go home. So now let's check. Very good. Excellent. Great. Very good. Okay, so now we're going to continue with our activities. So now we have the vocabulary, we have, and we know the routine of the girl. Ya hemos practicado el vocabulario, la rutina que observamos, ya sabemos utilizar el presente simple. Now we are going to talk about our daily routine. What do you do every day? My new daily routine. So Diana presents her daily routine. On Monday, I usually get up at 7:30. On Tuesday, I often start work at 9 a.m. On Wednesday, I start my work again and almost always finish my activities. On Thursday, I start my work again. On Friday, I don't have time to phone my friends. On Sunday, I have to write many reports. My life has changed a lot because of COVID-19 appeared, right? I miss my family, my friends, I miss my lunch routine. I got up at 4 a.m. and my day finishes at 6. This is my daily routine. Han cambiado nuestras rutinas desde la cuarentena, ¿cierto? Muy bien, es tu turno. Ahora tú tienes que organizar tu rutina de acuerdo con la cuarentena. Muy bien. Okay, very good. Great job. You can do it. Okay, you did it. Very good. Finally, we're gonna make an exercise for practicing. Les presento un amigo. So this is Boybot, right? This is Boybot. Boybot is going to help you to practice English. So you are going to talk to him and Boybot is going to answer you, right? So you are going to give click to Boybot. So the idea is that you can ask questions. For example, you look at this. What time do you get up? What time do you get up? What time do you get up? Okay. What time do you get up? Okay, so if you can talk to him. So here you have the question. Or you can type in the chat, hello, and you can type it and he will answer. Hi, do you want to be friends?
How do you want to be friends?
Right, so here we have our Boybot talking to me. How are you? And you're gonna type, how are you? How are you?
I'm doing fine, I guess.
Okay, you're fine. Very good. What's your routine? Okay, so let's practice. You can practice both, right? Very good. Great. Now, and finally, I remember you the evaluation. En la evaluación, vamos a hacer una entrevista con el tutor donde me vas a presentar tu rutina y me vas a hablar de ti mismo, ya con las herramientas que hemos trabajado durante este curso. Vas a realizar una carta de presentación en un blog donde hables de las rutinas tuyas y las de un familiar y las vas a subir al campus. Y para el desarrollo de las actividades vamos a tener en cuenta nuestra rúbrica de evaluación. ¿Listo? ¿Cuál es la rúbrica de evaluación? La que les estoy presentando en este momento. Entonces, para evaluarlos voy a tener en cuenta lo siguiente. Observen la rúbrica y las actividades que se presentan allí. Right? Okay, very good. Great. Ok. Finalmente subiremos nuestro trabajo final al entorno de evaluación. Conclusiones. El uso de las tecnologías para el aprendizaje del inglés motiva a los estudiantes por medio de actividades interactivas, fomenta buenos hábitos de estudio y de aprovechamiento del tiempo libre en el aprendizaje de una segunda lengua. Además, nos permite elaborar cartas, hablar con personas externas y establecer lazos culturales. Muy bien. So, thank you very much for your attendance. So here we have like referencias bibliográficas used in our course. And finally, thank you for your attendance. My name is Diana, and if I can help you, please ask me. Bye.